This is where I'm staying, Jomtien Beach Condominium. I stayed here last year for 2 months and liked it so much I decided to come back. It's a whole community of very chill people who enjoy their privacy. This is a 29-year-old condo and I'm staying on the beach side, which has 2 blocks. There are 3 other blocks across the street. Downstairs you have restaurants, 3 laundry shops, a few massage shops, a couple of pubs and 3 mini-marts that can also do laundry. There are 3 elevators in each block and one of them is powered by an independent generator. So if there's a blackout, one of them will still work. In each block there's an ATM and water dispenser machines. One of the best features of this condo is a well-maintained pool. I go there almost every morning and swim 10 to 20 laps a day. Here's where I stay. My unit has some cooking equipment, so I decided to cook once a week as a minor hobby. Not cooking to save money, because eating out can be cheaper. Depends on what you eat and what you cook, and how much you eat actually. Right here I'm making stir-fried choy sam or sawi or mustard leaves, depending on what you call it. You fry some garlic and shallots, then add some oyster sauce.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Add a bit of water. In goes the vegetables, stems first preferably. After the leaves are wilted a bit, you add an egg.
Way is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope.
Second dish is pat kapau kai, stir-fried chicken with basil leaves. Fry some garlic, then add the minced chicken. Stir until they're cooked.
Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can
Add the seasoning and some water. I got the seasoning packet at a supermarket, but you can find it anywhere actually.
And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Add some basil leaves and as much chili as you want. That's it. Enough for 2 people, for 2 meals, lunch and dinner.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
I invited my neighbor to eat with me because it's too much for one person. The pat kapau is a bit too watery, but not bad for a first try. The veggies were fantastic if I do say so myself. Next time, I might share more simple recipes in other videos.
Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief.